This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen golden balance updated. Start by simmering chicken stock and kombu dashi together, then add soy sauce and mirin. Stir in a small pinch of sugar to round flavors and adjust salt to taste. Combine with perfectly cooked noodles and top with sesame oil, sliced scallions, and a soft egg for contrast. Let flavors meld briefly before serving warm to enjoy the optimal balance. Bring the broth to a gentle simmer and maintain low heat for a clear, concentrated result. Roast or char onion, garlic, and ginger first to introduce caramelized notes that deepen the soup. Skim foam and impurities as they rise to keep clarity, then strain through a fine sieve for a silky texture. Finish with a taste test, adjusting acid and salt so the bowl sings with balanced, layered umami flavors ready for noodles. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and share with friends. Quick recommendation: I keep an Owala water bottle nearby when cooking to stay hydrated between stirring and tasting, and it fits neatly on my prep counter. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can get one too, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Cook noodles until slightly firm because they will soften as they sit in hot broth, yielding ideal bite. Prepare a soft boiled egg with a jammy yolk for rich creaminess, and slice scallions thinly for fresh aromatics. Include crunchy elements like blanched bean sprouts or pickled vegetables to brighten each spoonful and cut through richness. Assemble quickly so components remain distinct, then serve the bowl hot and balanced for immediate enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.